How to lock the Messenger app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can lock the Messenger app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to lock the Messenger app, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Messenger application here. Once you launch the Messenger app, if you want to lock it, we're not going to use any third-party apps or services because we can lock the Messenger app right from its Messenger app settings. After you open Messenger, tap the three lines option from the top left and then just tap the gear icon, which is the settings icon here. Once you're here, you want to simply scroll and look for privacy and safety and tap on it. And under security, if you look right here, you'll find the option called app lock. So if you tap the app lock option, you can just turn on unlock with biometrics, which will enable you to go ahead and then basically use either your face ID or your fingerprint in order to unlock with biometrics. You can choose the time frame after how much you want to unlock it. So right here now, if I go ahead and open the Messenger application, it will ask me to enter my biometrics, and only then it will allow me to go ahead and then basically log into Messenger. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then actually lock your Messenger app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.